After the cold wintry weekend, our days do continue to get longer here on this last day of January. Still plenty of twilight as you look at our various cameras around Lexington. But we got warmth coming tomorrow. Enjoy it because it's not going to last, and what follows could get nasty. Got a battle going on between the southeast ridge, which will provide warmth, and pressing Arctic air coming down from the northwest. That provides the cold, and Arctic air undercuts warm air. That leads to a bad combination. And a lot of the Ohio Valley will be getting a big deal event. Now, for us, it may be just a ton of heavy rain. That's a possibility. But also the winter potential certainly is there. So as we look toward the middle and latter part of the week, there are already winter storm watches that run from Denver to south of Dallas to Detroit. They do include Daviess County and Kentucky, see western Kentucky under those watches there, so right along the Ohio River as well. So here's the setup. You've got a cold front coming at us. Big low pressure heading up into Canada. That low itself doesn't directly impact us, but what it does do is it sends that's the Arctic high, and it begins to press southward. You notice there are no big areas of low pressure. There's no bomb cyclone out there. What it is, it's going to be waves that travel along this front. There's Wednesday noon. Locally heavy rain is going to be a possibility as moisture is being fed in, hits that front, hits the cold air, squeezes everything out. Now as we continue into Wednesday afternoon, again, we're staying in the rain. Wave develops down here in Texas. You notice that enhancement of the rain and snow down there in Texas and Oklahoma. There's 7 a.m. on Thursday. There's your area of low pressure. As it comes north and passes us to the east, it starts sucking the cold air into it. When that happens, that's when we can see the changeover in many places from rain to freezing rain and sleet. Most of the snow with this is going to remain to our north, but we could end this as snow during the day on Friday. And this is just neat to look at. Don't take the forecast details here as gospel. This distance on this model, I just want to show you the possibilities that are out there. The temperature swings from north to south across the state are nothing short of phenomenal. That front is 15 miles either way. Somebody gets a whole lot of ice, other folks end up just with plain old rain. And that may be the case through most of this in southeast Kentucky, that it ends up just being rain. But again, you notice just how much cold air is feeding into this system. So again, there is potential aplenty. Not only for that, but the other big story may end up being the heavy rain threat. And you're seeing going into Wednesday and Thursday, we could pick up 2.5, 3 inches of rain in places. So flooding becomes a possibility as well. Right now in Lexington, we're dropped back to 38. Wind chill of 36 thanks to an almost non-existent wind. Upper 30s to around 40 as you look around. And by the way, high temperatures for tomorrow. Enjoy that as we're in the 50s. For tonight, mainly clear, seasonably cold. Will be in the upper 20s. Your day tomorrow. Let's go with a partly to mostly sunny sky. It's a little breezy in the afternoon, but boy, it's warm. We're in the mid 50s. It'll be rain, and could be quite a bit of it on Wednesday. Rain eventually changes to freezing rain and sleet Thursday night. That could last into Friday, and we stay cold going into the weekend.